In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and utilize the classes feature to organize your finances effectively. Let's start by turning on the classes feature in your account. To do that, head over to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to a wealth of settings and customization options that will help tailor the software to suit your business needs. Once you click on the gear icon, select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. This option is where you manage many of the functional settings for your account and tweak them as necessary. Within the Account and Settings menu, you'll find several tabs, each loaded with different settings categories. For this task, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section is a valuable resource for business owners and administrators looking to leverage more advanced tracking and reporting features. In the Advanced tab, you'll need to scroll through the available options until you locate the Categories section. Here, you'll find the Classes feature, a powerful tool designed to help you organize and segment your financial data according to different business criteria. To activate this feature, you'll need to simply toggle the option in front of Classes to On. This will enable you to start classifying transactions, which can be particularly useful for insights, reporting, and financial analysis. Once you've successfully turned on the Classes option, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button located at the bottom of the settings screen and click it to ensure that your new settings are applied. This will allow you to proceed with using the Classes feature to manage your transactions efficiently. Having enabled the Classes feature, you'll want to start assigning classes to your transactions actively. Assigning classes is about grouping or segregating data in a way that best suits your reporting needs. For instance, you can classify transactions by departments, product lines, or project types, depending on what makes the most sense for your analysis. To assign a class to a transaction, open any transaction form where you can edit or input new data. As you create or modify a transaction, you'll now notice an additional field labeled Class included in the transaction entry form. When entering or editing transactions, select the appropriate class from the drop-down that fits your organizational scheme. This process is straightforward and is done on a transaction-by-transaction basis, making it flexible and easy to customize. By consistently assigning classes as you enter or update your transactions, you'll be generating comprehensive reports that reflect the categories you've implemented. This method not only aids in precise financial tracking, but also in strategic decision-making, allowing you to view specific financial data through the lenses most relevant to your business priorities. That's it for our walkthrough on using the Classes feature to enhance your transactional organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.